Hi, I'm Sergey Kravchenko, a senior product manager, passionate about AI-driven solutions and team leadership. With a business management degree from a Canadian university and 2 years of study in data science and AI, I bring a strong foundation for innovative tech development. Over 20 years of product management experience in fintech, healthcare, manufacturing, and telecom, I've delivered scalable solutions that drive efficiency and global impact. As head of a product development team at a major telecom company, I led 5 product managers to build messaging services for over 500 banking and retail enterprises, serving millions of end users with seamless communication tools. In my current role, I lead AI-powered initiatives, including a chatbot that speeds up employee Q&A in global firms by 30%. My team also developed AI agents that automate workflows like onboarding, cutting operational costs by 25% while promoting resource efficiency for sustainable outcomes. With my expertise in data science, AI, and product management, I'm well equipped for the fast-paced environment of FAANG companies. I'm excited to bring my skills in scalable innovation and sustainable design to your team. Let's contact and find out how we can collaborate and implement modern AI solutions into your business.